And that brings us to a completely different issue. Testing is in high demand and short supply across the U.S. Check out the lines across the country, including right here in the state of Florida. Here in our area, one St. Pete site said they ran out of tests. So if you need one ahead of Christmas, what can you do? 10 Tampa Bay's Shannon Clow brings that question to an expert.
Christmas plus COVID equals a complicated celebration.
If you can get some tests, get those tests and take those tests pretty close before you're supposed to go visit.
Dr. Michael Tang can tell you the reality is tests are hard to get your hands on or your nose in.
Testing presents both kind of a logistic and an economic burden on some people.
Logistically, it's hard to find an appointment at a pharmacy, and many will be closed tomorrow. Your other option is to pay up.
$25 for just 2 tests. And if you have a gathering of like 50 people, normally for your holidays, that's a lot of money.
Let's not forget, some tests cost more than $25. So what if you can't get tested? What then?
Try to limit your exposure.
One way to do that is to take advantage of our winter weather.
We're in Florida. We're really lucky. We can do a lot of things outdoors or have really good ventilation.
If you're going to be inside, maybe cut the celebration short.
Spend a couple hours together, enjoy that time, and then go.
A friendly reminder, masks are not hard to come across like tests.
Remember that masks around people that are medically vulnerable.
This way, we can take complication out of the equation, giving you a Christmas to celebrate safely.
The White House plans to send 500 million tests to Americans next month for free. Americans can order them online. When asked in an interview with ABC News if he should have acted sooner, President Biden said there was no way to predict a variant that didn't exist 6 months ago. Let's dive into some of our area's testing numbers this week compared to last. Now, this data is from the CDC, by the way, so it is about 1 week behind. But as of December 16th, 27,543 tests were administered in Hillsborough County. That's about a 2.88% increase compared to the previous week. In Pinellas, it was 18,197 tests administered as of December 16th, and that's about a 3.82% increase from the week before. The only county in our area that saw a decrease in testing was Polk County. As of December 16th, 11,499 tests had been administered over the last 7 days, a 0.35% decrease from the week before.